Welcome back, graduates. So today I have a tutorial showing you how to add blog filters to your blogs. So right here, you can see this is the Dawn theme, and this snippet is for Dawn theme. And yes, guys, this is a paid snippet. It's very inexpensive, though. We notice a lot of people are asking, hey, how do you add filters to your blogs? So I'm going to show you how to do that in very two easy steps. So this is how it looks by default. Not very filter friendly. There's really no option to kind of go and find the blog post on a certain topic that you're looking for. And this is the end result. So you have options here. We have various filters. Now this is based off of a tag for your blogs. So it should be very, very easy for you guys to actually use and navigate through. So right off the bat, we have documentation here. So if you purchase this snippet and a download, you'll have this little file here that you open up and it'll show you exactly what to do. And we have two different modes. We have a tab style or a select style or a menu style. So let's get to it, shall we? So the first steps, you're going to have a folder. When you download it, it'll have a liquid file. You can open this in any text editor that you might have. I prefer to use VS Code usually, or I use this app called TextMate for Mac. So we'll just go open with, and we'll just do TextMate. And that way we have this available. So let me do that, get things ready. And then all you have to do, guys, is to open up the instructions, just double click this. It'll open up in your default browser. So let me just move this out of the way. So as always, we're going to get right to it. So you're going to go to your dashboard. You're going to log into your store or dashboard, click online store. Once this loads, come on, Shopify, get with the program here. All right, so this is the theme we don't want to edit this. We're going to go and edit the theme that we want. And what I like to do is I like to preview it first, and then I like to click edit code. So we have a preview window here. We'll go to news and we see that there's no filter here, and let's just follow the instructions. So let me close out of this one, and I'll close out of this one as well. So the first step is we're going to go to our open sections main-blog.liquid, which is right here. So we'll go to sections main-blog.liquid. And then what we need to do is we have to find this string of text right here. So let's just copy this, and we'll go in here, we'll do Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac, paste that in, find next, and there it is. It's right there. It highlights it for you. And then what we need to do is we just have to add render blog filters. So just copy this, and right below it, we're gonna do that here, and let's tab it in real quick, paste it in, hit save, and then what we need to do is we actually have to go and upload the snippet. Now, like I said, there's two modes. Create and add the following snippet code. So we're going to create the blog filter snippet, copy, edit, and we'll go to snippets, add snippet, paste this in, hit done, and go back to our text editor that we have with the blog filter code right here. And we're going to highlight all this. I'm going to paste it in, hit save, close out of it. That's saved. And again, if you want to change the blog filter style, you just change this to either menu or select. So you just go and edit the code whenever you need, and to have the different styles. And I'll show you all those different styles. But first, let's just refresh this. And now we have filters, see? So let's change it to select. Let's see what that looks like. Hit save. And now your mode changed. Right here, you have your drop-down option. So you can do like that and change everything out. So I like to use the menu option. It just seems cleaner to me, easier, a lot more user-friendly. So you refresh again. And there you go. So there you have it. We have various, we have an option to filter your blog menus. And the way we do that, let's just go back to our dashboard, and you go to your blog posts, and you select on your blog, right? And you see how we have tags right here. We have vintage, summer, all posts. You just tag your blog with whatever filter you want. And basically this allows you to kind of categorize things as well. So it just makes things a little bit easier. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, this is a paid snippet, very inexpensive, one-time payment. You don't have to pay monthly for it. And it's very easy to install, very painless. So I hope you liked it. If you did like this video tutorial, guys, please, like the video and drop a comment as well. And subscribe, please. We also just released a new theme. We call it Ecomify. You can check the video somewhere around here to see a preview of what that theme is. Or you can go to ecomify.com. We're very proud of this theme. This theme was built off of pretty much everything we've developed that improved clients' conversion rates. So this whole theme is built off of data, but I'm not going to get too much into it. Just click somewhere around here for the video, and you can be informed about our new theme, Ecomify. This is a big project, and we're going to be adding a lot more features to it. Thank you so much, guys.